My name is Shweihninzy, and today we are going to be going through my everyday quarantine makeup routine. Feeling kind of down today, so I thought I would take you guys through a typical day for me during quarantine. Thankfully, my boyfriend got a job. Yay! You guys, he was without a job for so long, and as you know, so many Americans lost their jobs during all of this, which is so sad, but I'm so thankful that he has a job now. So he's been working every day, and I've been home and trying to work on my new little shop with my mom. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I will be opening up an Etsy shop with my mom called Oh My Cards and Stickers on Etsy, and it's going to be launching this Saturday. So I will do a video all about that later, so be on the lookout for that. But again, I thought I would walk you guys through my everyday makeup routine. I don't wear full-on makeup like I used to before quarantine, but I definitely cover up a little bit just so I feel a little bit better when I go out in public. And I do have a towel on, so pardon me, I literally just got out of the shower, and hopefully you can hear me because there is construction going on behind me outside my window right now. You see the bulldozer right there? You see the bulldozer? Yeah. So that's what I've been dealing with for a month, I think, and it's been a little bit annoying, but I know they gotta get done what they need to get done. So the first thing I start with is some tinted eyebrow gel. This is the Sigma Tint and Tame Brow Gel. They sent this to me a while ago back when this came out, and you guys, this stuff holds your brows in place. I have mine in the color medium, and I just put it in my eyebrows. It's got a really nice spoolie, and my eyebrows are pretty thin, like they don't really have much of a shape to them, and I do have some blonde hairs in there too. I have some sparseness. Oh, Leo just jumped on the table. He's checking out what's going on. There's his tail. So I just kind of put this through to kind of give them a little shape and a little lift. I never was someone who plucked my eyebrows or anything when that was going on, because I really didn't have anything to pluck to begin with. I know a lot of you guys are saying your eyebrows are too far apart, but I don't get hair there. Like I don't get hair between my eyebrows. So there we have it. I just let that sit before I comb through it. So while that's setting, I go in with my Garnier Skin Clearly Brighter Anti-Dark Circle Eye Roller. That is such a long name. I think this one is in the color light medium, maybe. So that's what it looks like here. And it's just like a really light concealer. Like you can't tell that you're wearing makeup or anything. It just gives me a little extra tint. And it's just like a really light concealer. Like you can't tell that you're wearing makeup or anything. It just gives me a little extra tint for my puffy eyes. And I just take like a dry sponge here, just because it is so liquidy, like it would get soaked right up if it was wet. But I just kind of, or I take my fingers, it really depends on the day. Just kind of pat that under my eyes just to give me a little bit of tint, but so it also doesn't look like I have, you know, a lot of makeup on. You guys, I haven't worn makeup. I think this is going on 5 months. I haven't worn it since April, and it's now October. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm a little bit scared. As you guys know or can see, my skin has gotten so much better. I just have like breakout here, here, and here, because, you know, during that time of the month, or when it's your body's prepping to go through that, you start to break out a little bit. But like I really have no acne at all. It's just scarring, and my skin is super smooth, and I'm almost afraid to put makeup on and ruin what I've got going on. Next, I go in with a waterproof mascara just because it holds the curl better. It's not very smudge proof. I curl my eyelashes. My really good eyelash curler dropped in the litter box and I'm like, ew, so I had to throw that away. And this one's from Tweezerman. I just got it at Ulta and it's not that fantastic, but this waterproof really holds the curls, but it smudges. I don't know why. Waterproof, you'd think waterproof wouldn't smudge, but it does. I just do a nice light coat just to give me some oomph to my stick straight lashes. And then my brow should be set, so I just go in with a brow spoolie. This one's on a Sigma pencil brush, and sometimes like I'll fill in the shape of my brows. Leo, stop it. Leo's been licking my Himalayan salt lamp. And that's literally it. And Leo is blocking the camera. That's it. That's all I do. And then I've been wearing my hair in 2 Dutch braids on the top of my head, which I'll show you how to do. I'm gonna go ahead and put some clothes on really quick. Leo, you silly boy. I'm gonna try that TikTok transition. You know that TikTok transition where people have something on and then they go like, and then they have clothes on? Did I do it? I don't know. So now I'm gonna do my hair. Like I said, I've been wearing my hair in a, you know, split Dutch braid. I need to re-dye my hair. If you guys saw, I dyed all my hair back to red, but this side still looks purple. You can really see it right now. So I'm gonna try and maybe re-bleach my hair on that side to really get that purple out, but I don't know. We'll see how we feel about it. So I just split my hair as best as I can down the middle, and I tie the side out of the way, brush my hair here. I know hair videos cannot be the best because they're like, oh, just do this and twist and go under this and all that stuff, but you're like, I can't see what you're doing. But I don't really know, like I've tried French braiding my own hair. Leo, you're gonna fall. His new thing is to balance on top of the laundry basket. Do like a balancing act. So it's like a French braid, but instead of, I guess, going under, you go over. But I don't really know. Like, I tried French braiding my hair and it just ended up turning into a Dutch braid, and that's just the only way I know how to do my hair. So you just do it like, you know, a regular French braid or whatever you want to do, but you drop a piece and then you pick up some hair, and then you drop a piece and you pick up some hair, and Leo is in the laundry basket again. So I'm gonna do my hair and we'll speed through this. Alright, then after you feel like you've collected all of the hair at the base of your neck, that's when I tie the hair off. So I'm just taking a clear elastic and making it like a pigtail. And then I tighten it, hopefully. Let me see if you can see my hair. Do you see it? And then I just tied it down there. Hopefully you were able to see that. And then what I'll do is I'll pull the braid out a little bit just to give it some texture and volume. So then I do the same to the other side. My arms are sore. Oh my gosh. You definitely get a shoulder workout. And then sometimes I leave it like this, but lately I've been liking making little buns, so I'll fold my hair in half, but I won't pull it all the way through. And then I just tie it up to make a little mini bun thing. And there's my hair. That's how I've been wearing my hair like literally almost every day in the summer and all that kind of stuff. So it's been very easy to do and I've been enjoying it. So let's go ahead and get out the door and grab some coffee. You watching the bulldozer? Here's my little work area right now. It's not the best. My camera was on there, but Leo's always jumping on my desk, so I put this suction cup thing there and he's not on my desk anymore, so worked out great. Oh my gosh, you guys! We're driving! Got the rig all set up. This is kind of cool! What do you think? And it's completely safe, so I don't have to pay attention to whatever's going on there. It's a little bit warmer today, which is good. I'm just gonna order my drink. Kinda cool. You can't really tell that I'm driving, but that's okay. It's a different point of view. Oh, that's gonna be a little annoying. The rattling. Whoa. Whoa. Alright, I'll see ya when we get there. Just got to Starbucks, so I'm gonna go ahead and go inside and grab my drink, and I'll be right back. Just got my drink. Got a iced caramel macchiato with coconut milk. What's your favorite Starbucks drink? Leave it down below. Always down to try something new. Has to be dairy free though. But I know caramel has some dairy in it, but I just can't have straight up milk. You know how it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and head back home. And yeah. What you doing, Luna? So there you have it. There was my little makeup routine and just a little mini follow me around kinda. That's pretty much what I've been doing, and then I've been working on my shop. Here's a prototype I've been working on. I might be coming out with makeup bags. So here's a sneak peek of something that's gonna be on the shop. It says this bag contains my face. I've seen these kind of bags before, but I can never actually find them myself. So this is like a nice canvas cloth bag with a zipper on top, and I'm going to be putting like some eyelashes. This one is a mess up. This is like mine, so I can like practice making it, but I'm thinking of putting some eyelashes on the other side, so you can use this for whatever. And I'm thinking of making another style, so not just the one where it says, you know, this bag contains my face, but so there's one thing that's going to be on the shop. Another thing, let me show you a little sneak peek. Stickers. So here is my Arlo sticker, and then here is Luna. You can see, sorry, my phone's going off, with a pumpkin. So There's some other little sneak peeks here. I'm going to have sticker sheets as well, and things, and I will have some prints on there as well. So I've got to stock up the shop, and I'll be doing some updates every week, hopefully. And my mom is going to be selling her cards and 3D prints as well, which will be really, really cool for fall or to give as a gift for somebody. So I'll leave the link for that down below. The shop is not live yet, but it will be on Saturday the 10th, so be on the lookout for that. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. Bye!